Job vacancies. The Samoa Shipping Corporation Limited invites application for the following permanent positions. Position 1, electrician, 16,273 tala per annum. Position 2, deck chief officer, class 4, 28,034 tala per annum. Position 3, marine engineer, class 4, 28,034 tala per annum. Full job descriptions listing duties and responsibilities for the above position can be uplifted from the SSC head office at Matao Tutai or download from our website www.samoashipping.com. Application letters must include the following documents: 1. Up-to-date curriculum vitae. 2. Certified copies of qualification and relevant trainings. All applications are to be addressed to the General Manager, Samoa Shipping Corporation Limited, Private Bag, Shipping House, Matao Tutai, Apia. All application must reach our head office at Matao Tutai no later than 4 p.m. Friday, 18th of June 2021. Late applications will not be considered. For more information, please contact Hana Ta'ala of Corporate Service Division on telephone 20936 or email hana@ssc.ws.